Alright everyone, I'm going to show you how to use this scoop slash rake scoopy thing. So it's really easy, and hopefully you'll like it so much that you'll pick one up and use my affiliate link and give me a little bit of monies. Unfortunately, you can't get this separate anymore. You have to get this with the bag, but it is reusable. So, and it's about like 41 bucks for this and the bag. So there's that. So, but yeah, let's get to showing this off. It's quite nifty. Alright, so you find a thing of grass and you basically just grab it. And then you can bring it over to your bigger pile and plop it down. And this works really surprisingly well. It gets even like little scragglies. And if you notice, I don't have to bend over like you would for doing raking. It's been upright this whole time. Don't have to break my back. Yeah. Nifty thing is you can have it upright when you're taking a break. So hopefully that helps you with, well, making yard pickup fun, because I wasn't so sure about this at first, but yeah, it's actually, for me, it's fun to use this. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up or not, and hit that subscribe button if you want to as well, and see you in the next video. Peace.